Hello friends, my name is Chris and welcome back to a brand new unboxing with a little bit of a Christmas theme. Yes, I know it's November, but we are getting into the holiday spirits. Today we have here for you a brand new unboxing, a brand new Apple product, at least for me, since I recently received it as a birthday present. So, what do we have here for you today? We have the new HomePod Mini, and let's have a quick unboxing and let's set it up as well. So, looking around the box, very simple, very nice box as usual from Apple. We just have the Mini with the HomePod label here, the HomePod from the side, another HomePod Mini again, and here is the top of the HomePod. Nothing much to say. Something here written, I think it's in Spanish. Sorry if I'm ignorant. And we have some requirements here. It states, I'm not sure if you can actually read it, it states that you need to have at least an iPhone SE to get this to work. As you can see here, HomePod Mini, the gray variant. Just one quick second so I can let Mr. White out. And then we can continue with our unboxing. So let's grab our trusty unboxing knife. Always be careful not to cut our fingers. So let's open this very carefully. Okay. I really don't want to cut my fingers, so safety always on. Let's put it back in the pouch, and let's continue with the unboxing. So let's remove this here. The box is pretty heavy, and I think it's pretty resilient. So let's lift this up. Ooh. And we are greeted with the HomePod itself. So let me pull this out here. So as you can see, the cord is attached to the pod itself. It's a braided cable, the same color as the pod itself. Here we have a very glossy finish. It's glass with a plus and a minus. I'm thinking about volume. And this will most likely be a fingerprint magnet. So at the moment, let's set this to the side here and see what else we get in the box. So just some cardboard, throw it to the side. Next we have some okay, this is just a pull tab, just a couple of various pieces of literature. So this shows us how to pair the HomePod. Hopefully we will get that very quickly sorted out without needing this, but put it to the side. And I think there is the Apple sticker, which I am finding it very hard to get out, but there is a white Apple sticker, so it's not the same color as the HomePod, but whatever. And we have a charger. Unlike other products, I'm looking at the iPhone and Apple in itself. This does come with a with a charger. It is a, let me see if I can read it. Is a 20-watt charger, and basically nothing left in the box. So let's leave it here. Let's put the rest in the box to the side. Now let's remove this. What is very interesting is that the charger itself, it's not the same color as the HomePod, which my OCD, it's a little bit it's a little bit annoying. I have to mention this. Now let's take off the rest of the packaging. Okay, one pull tab here, another one here. So love the braided cable. The pod itself is reasonably heavy. I have to admit, well, it's a lot heavier than expected. So yeah, about that. And the last thing is to remove this. I have to see how sticky. Let's on this surface it moves quite a lot. So yeah. Most likely depends on the surface you are using it. So with that, let me get a quick power cable, because this braided cable, while it is a very long one, will not reach the power outlet itself. Okay guys, so I got my trusty extension cable, and let's plug in the HomePod and let's see what happens. So the HomePod is starting, as you can see. It's booting up with this nice image. And I have here an iPhone. Let's see if we can pair these two up. Oh, that's a nice sound, and already I'm seeing the HomePod is already pairing up. Let's set this up. I'm calling Office. This will most likely sit in my my office, and let's name it Office. Continue. HomePod can recognize your voice. Sure, recognize my voice. Personal request, use Siri with the HomePod. So yeah, sure, why not? And let's continue and agree with the terms and conditions. Account settings. Yeah, okay, let's transfer the settings. So now we have to hold this. The sound is quite good so far. We have to play a little bit of music to see how that works.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Let's try this. Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a station just for you.
Stop the music. Okay, so let's try another command. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 17:48.
Very nice. The sound. Let's try something with a little bit more bass. Let's see if I have anything here. Of course, I would have to actually blur this to not receive a copyright strike or something like that. Let's see, playlist. Let's see if I have something with a little bit of bass. No, it doesn't automatically go to the to the HomePod. So I have to say again, hey Siri, play Coolio Gangster Paradise.
One moment. Now playing Gangster's Paradise, featuring LV by Coolio.
It takes a little bit for it to execute, as you can see. Okay, Siri, stop music. So as you can see, it works as expected. The sound quality is quite good. It's far better than I would have expected from something so small. I'm not sure what types of speakers they are using, what power, but yeah, I will get into that later in the full review. So let's see if we go into the our last test of the day would be to pair this new Apple HomePod with the MacBook Pro. Let's quickly open this up, close what we don't need open, and see how fast and how seamless it is to actually pair. So we come over here to sound, we click this one, we see the MacBook Pro speakers and the Office. Let's click this and let's see a YouTube music video or video. Let's go to center this. Let's go to my videos. And let's wait to see what happens. Articulație cu diferite posibilități de orientare. Avem a doua articulație, avem, nu cred că pot să fac de aici, avem up and down și avem în spate o fantă pentru cable management. Dacă țineți minte stickerul pe care vi l-am arătat, stickerul este pentru a acoperi aceste șuruburi. Continuăm unboxing-ul. Help me loosen up my hand and hate fuse. Baby, don't refuse my truth. But it's up to you now to choose. I want you to stay true. What's right for you? No matter who, all I know what we'll ever say. Just find your way and try to stay. What can I say? The sound is excellent in my opinion. We did saw a little bit of delay between turning off the video and actually the sound turning off in the HomePod Mini, but yeah, that's not a problem for me. So this HomePod, the goal for this would be to be paired with the MacBook Pro, so I can have some good sound quality. It will reside below the monitor, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Again, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned because I am working on the MacBook Pro very long-term review and more things to come. So please stay tuned and see you later.